Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the chemistry class. Today I will discuss some important questions from your annual portion. First, I will discuss some MCQ. Okay. So, questions is given. Question 1. Choose the correct answer. Answer from the options given below. First question is given, which of the following cycle includes ammonification, adjusted, options are given: A, oxygen; B is nitrogen; C is carbon; and D is given water. So definitely the answer will be the nitrogen. Nitrogen is the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 2. Which gas is prepared using potassium chlorate or hydrogen peroxide? Okay, option A is given oxygen, B is given nitrogen, C is given chlorine, and D is given helium. So which gas is prepared by using potassium chloride? You know that potassium chloride you are preparing oxygen, and from hydrogen peroxide also room temperature you are preparing oxygen. So oxygen is the correct answer. So this type of MCQ questions will come in your exam. Next question is given, question number 3. Which of the following is a decomposition reaction? First one is given, A, reaction between hydrogen and sulfur. Between hydrogen and sulfur. Second is given, heating hydrogen. Third one is given, heating calcium carbonate. Option D is given, burning magnesium in air. So definitely reaction between H2 and S will be combination reaction, heating of hydrogen, okay, that will produce water. Definitely that will combination reaction, heating of calcium carbonate, definitely decomposition reaction. So because calcium carbonate, when you will apply heat, that will produce calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So this is a decomposition reaction. So this is your correct answer. And burning of magnesium in air, that will magnesium will combine the oxygen for the magnesium oxide. There is a combination reaction. So this is the correct answer. Next question is given. The rate of evaporation depends on option A, temperature, option B, humidity, option C is given movement of air, option D is given all of these. So definitely here answer will be all of these. The temperature also increase the evaporation if you increase the temperature. If there is less humidity, definitely evaporation will be fast. And if there is movement of air, then also evaporation will be fast. So all of this is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 5. Which of the following is used in making fertilizers and explosives? Options are given: A, nitrogen, option B is given hydrogen, option C is given aluminium, option D is given iron. So definitely there are nitrogenous fertilizers where we are using nitrogen, as well as tinnitrotoluene, tinitrobenzene. These are explosives, okay, where nitrogen is present. So this is the correct answer. So this type of MCQ you also have to practice. Next, complete and balance the following chemical equation. Question number 2. Another type of question. Complete and balance the following chemical equations. First one is given H2 plus O2. So here what will be your answer? Definitely when hydrogen and oxygen is combined, there will be formation of water. So H2 plus O2 is forming H2. Now you have to balance it. Here if you give twice H2 and then you put twice H2. This is in the gas, this is also gas, and this is liquid. Okay. And here you have to apply heat. Then you will get the water. Or if you burn this hydrogen oxygen gas mixture, you will get water. So this is the correct answer. Next question is given magnesium plus oxygen. So in this case you have to write that magnesium solid is reacting with oxygen gas, forming magnesium oxide solid. Okay, upon heating. Now here you have to balance it twice mg. Here you have to put twice mg. This is the correct answer. Next question number 3. It is given calcium carbonate. Heat. This is the question, so answer will be calcium carbonate. When you are applying heat, it is forming calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide is solid, carbon dioxide is gas. Okay. So now here you see this is balanced, already balanced equation. So this is your correct answer. Okay. Next question number 4. H2O, H plus electric current. Okay, this is your question. Here you have to write that there will be electrolyte decomposition forming hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Hydrogen gas will be formed at cathode and oxygen gas at anode. Okay, here you have to put twice H2, it's forming twice H2 plus O2. Okay, and here you will write this thing also. H plus electrolysis, electric current. So this is your answer, correct answer. So in this way you have to practice this type of questions. Sorry. Next question number 5. Here it is given that iron is reacting with sulfur. You have to apply it. So here also you have to write the answer that iron solid is reacting with sulfur solid forming ferrous sulfide. One brown compound will be formed. Okay, so here also it is balanced. Okay. Next, another type of compound, name the following. Question number type 3, name the following. First question is given 1. Greenhouse gas. Here you can tell carbon dioxide. Next question is given a positive catalyst. Catalyst. So here you can tell that MnO2, okay, in KClO3 reaction. When we are heating KClO2 in presence of MnO2, so it will act as a catalyst and increase the rate of decomposition. It will form potassium chloride and oxygen gas. Okay. Next question is given. Question number 3. Manufacture process of ammonia. Your answer will be Haber's process. Boss-Haber process, or you can write only Haber process. Boss-Haber process. So this type of name the following are important. Okay. One more name following I am discussing. A mixture of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Mixture of oxygen and carbon dioxide used for artificial respiration. Used for artificial respiration. So definitely here answer will be carbogen. Carbogen. Okay. Next, another I will discuss 5. The most abundant element. In earth crust. So here you have to write the answer, that is oxygen. Okay. Don't write the formula here, you write oxygen. So in this way, this is another type of question, okay, that also we have to practice. Next we will discuss what happens when. Question number type 4. What happens when? First question is given, mercuric oxide HGO is heated. So all of you know, if you heat HGO, the red compound, okay, if you apply heat, it will form mercury and oxygen. So here you have to give the reaction as well as observation also you can write. The gas is formed, okay, oxygen gas is formed, that rekindles the glowing sphincter and a shiny liquid will be formed, that is the mercury, okay. Another is given that potassium nitrate is heated, KNO3 is heated. Mainly you have to give the reaction, okay. So if you heat the potassium nitrate, then it will forming potassium nitride plus there will be formation of oxygen. So here you have to put 2, then you have to put 2, now it is balanced, okay. So this type of questions are also important for your exam purpose. Next, difference also may come, okay. Here you have to write the difference. Write difference between rusting and burning. Rusting and burning. Okay, so rusting you will write this is a slow process, and burning you will write a fast process. In rusting, the amount of energy released is very low, okay, but burning, okay, the amount of energy released will be very high, okay, and here heat energy as well as light energy will produce, that you can easily observe, okay. So this type of things you have to write, okay. Next, next another type of question is given, that what do you observe? Question number type 6. What do you observe? When the following substances when the following substances are heated, and then tested with moist blue First one is given sulfur. So sulfur, when you heat in presence of air, so the sulfur will combine with oxygen forming sulfur dioxide gas. Now sulfur dioxide gas is acidic. So if you take the moist blue litmus paper, it will turn red. Okay. So this observation you have to write. Then you will get full marks. Another is given that magnesium. So magnesium, when if you burn, okay, or heat it in presence of oxygen, that will also produce oxide of metal, that is magnesium oxide will be formed. Okay, here twice Mg plus O2 twice Mg. So here if you take the red litmus paper, moist red litmus paper, okay, then in presence of magnesium oxide it will turn blue because it is alkaline in nature, okay, but sulfur dioxide is acidic in nature. That is why it will turn the blue litmus paper red, and this one will turn the red litmus paper blue. Hope you can understand. So this type of questions are very important. Sometimes they can give you matching also. Matching type of questions are also important. Question type 7. So they will give match the following. Match the following. Here two columns will be given. Suppose column A, another will be column B. Now in column A, first one is given burning of candle. Burning of candle. Okay, and next one is given sodium. Next is given manganese dioxide. Four, well-defined physical properties. Well-defined physical properties. 5, acid rain. So in this case, column B's are given that a catalyst. Next one is sulfur dioxide. Next one is given pure substance. And next one is given exothermic chemical change. Exothermic chemical change. Next is given natrium. So here you have to match this thing. So first one is here given that burning of candle. So what you will write? Definitely it will produce heat and definitely it is a chemical change. So burning candle, you can write the exothermic chemical change. Okay. Next question is given sodium. Sodium, its Latin name is taken from the natrium. So here you can tell this one, matching with this natrium. Next one is given that manganese dioxide. So manganese dioxide you can use as catalyst during the preparation of oxygen from potassium chlorate or from hydrogen peroxide. So So manganese dioxide, you will write that catalyst. Next one is well defined physical properties. Okay, well defined physical properties, definitely it will be the pure substance. Pure substance has well defined physical properties. It has a particular melting point or boiling points. Okay. And next one, acid rain. Acid rain will be the sulfur dioxide. Because of sulfur dioxide, when it will combine with water, that will form sulfurous acid, so that can cause acid rain. So here, when you write the answer, you have to write this answer side by side. So column A you write, then side you write. So burning of candle, here this side you write, and answer you write. Here this is exothermic chemical change. Next, sodium you write, then here you write natrium. Then manganese dioxide you write, then you write catalyst. Okay, in this way you have to practice. Okay. Next, another type of questions may come. Okay, that is the give reasoning type of questions. Next, question number 8 type, that is give a reason for each of the following. Okay. First one is given carbon dioxide causes global warming. Okay, definitely carbon dioxide causes global warming because when sun, okay, heated the earth's surface, in earth there is carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide will trap the heat, okay, and make the earth warm. And actually, if you look at the percentage of carbon dioxide in the earth atmosphere, that will be 0.03 to 0.04%. But day by day the carbon dioxide level increases and it causes global warming. Okay, it is trapping the heat. Okay, carbon dioxide molecule is a linear molecule and it has the ability to trap the heat. Okay, like other gases are also there, that also causes global warming. Okay, we can tell about that ozone gas is there, water vapor is there, nitrous oxide is there. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons are there that are responsible for global warming. So in this way you have to give reason. Okay, next question is given. Clothes takes a longer time to dry in winter. So sorry, clothes takes a longer time to dry in rainy season. Clothes take a longer time to dry in the rainy season. Okay, because in rainy season air is full of moisture. Okay, humidity will be very high. So from wet clothes, okay, it cannot take the moisture. Okay, the environment or air near the clothes is saturated with the moisture. So that is why that clothes, water vapor, okay, cannot easily go to the environment. Okay, as it is already saturated because of rainfall. Okay, that is why clothes takes a longer time to dry in rainy season. So this type of easy question you have to practice. Okay, next question is given that carbon dioxide is used as for extinguishing fire. Yes, carbon dioxide is not supporting combustion. Okay, and is not also combustible. So definitely it will extinguish the fire. So that is why this carbon dioxide we are using in the fire extinguisher. Okay, actually there will be some mixture of carbonate and acid. Okay, when the something or the building will catch fire, then there will be some system, okay, by which you can break the seal of the acid, then acid will mix with this carbonate salt and carbon dioxide gas will come out, and that will help to control the fire or extinguish the fire. Hope you can understand. So this type of questions are also very important for your exam purpose. Next question is given that true false. Question number 9, write T for true and F for false. First one is given chromatography is based on selective distillation. Chromatography is based on selective distillation. So it is wrong. Here to write is false. Okay. Actually, chromatography is based on the selective adsorption. Okay. Here we are using, in case of column chromatography, we are using silica gel adsorption, or sometimes in paper chromatography we are using that Hartmann filter paper, okay, as stationary phase and solvent as mobile phase. All of you know. So this is false. Next is given that 2 H2S has no smell. This is also false. All of you know that hydrogen sulfide has rotten egg smell. So H2S has no smell. Okay, it is odorless. Okay, that is also wrong. Here you have to write false, and if it is written that you have to write the correct statement, then also you have to write the correct statement. Next is given the formula of magnesium nitrite is Mg2N3. This is also false, because you know that magnesium valency is 2 and nitrogen valency is 3. So by Criss-Cross method you will get the formula of magnesium nitrate, that will be Mg3N2. But here it is written Mg2N3. So this is incorrect. So in this way you have to write that which one is true and which one is false, and you can give the correct statement. Next question. Next question will be the fill in the blanks type of question. Fill in the blanks. Here options will be supplied. Okay. You have to find out that correct option. Okay. First one is given sodium loses dash electrons to form Na plus. So here you have to write 1 electron. Option will be given 1 or 2. So here you have to write 1 electron. You know that if sodium loses 1 electron, it's forming Na plus. That is the basic identity. Okay. Next question is given. The element has variable valency is dash. Option is given iron, and another is given that potassium. So definitely your answer will be that iron. Because iron has variable valency, more than one valency, +2 and +3 ferrous ferric, but potassium cannot show variable valency. So in this way you have to practice the fill in the blanks type of question. Okay. and there will be some short questions also. Okay, you have to define what is acid radical, what is basic radical, okay, and what is the definition of atom or what is the definition of molecule. And sometimes I can ask what is acid rain, what is the cause of acid rain, what do you mean by ozone layer depletion or global warming. Okay, this type of question you have to practice. So hope you can understand. Till if you have any type of confusion, you can clear your doubts in your live classes. So today up to this, thank you for watching.